Hello friends, we are going to learn how to speak English. So, the basic principle behind speaking English is only listen, watch, speak. Listen, speak and speak on. So, you can say good morning from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Good afternoon 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Good evening 4 p.m. to till night. Good night at the time of departure. Bye bye. Hello, I am Jack. Hi, I am Mary. Hello, how do you do? I am Jack Smith. Hi, I am Mary Brown. How do you do? Good morning, my name is Jack Smith. Good morning, my name is Mary Brown. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Same here. Glad to meet you. Pleasure meeting you. Nice to meet you too. Good night. Good, thanks. I am okay. Have a nice day or good night. Fine, thanks. Bye bye. See you again. Hi, Mary. It's good to see you again. Same here, Jack. How are you? I am good. What about you? I am also doing great. So, Mary, what do you do? I am doing graduation in commerce. What about you, Jack? Well, Mary, I am doing graduation in computer science. What do you do? I am working with a bank as a cashier. I am student of computers, receptionist, homemaker, looking for a job in the training department. So, tell me about your family. Well, I have my father, my mother, and my younger sister. What about you, Jack? In my family, I have mother, I have father, and my elder brother. Jack, meet my batchmate Adam, and Adam, meet Jack, my friend. Jack, this is Adam, and Adam, this is Jack. Jack, here is my batchmate Adam. Adam, he is Jack, my friend. Adam, meet Dr. Richard Thompson, our respected English professor. Dr. Richard Thompson, he is Adam Clark. He is a new student. May I have pleasure of introducing you to Dr. Richard Thompson, our respected English professor. Well, Adam, it's pleasure meet you. Meet my father, Peter Brown. He is a physician. Dad, he is Jack, my friend. Pleasure meeting you, sir. Glad to meet you, sir. And she is my mother, Mrs. Lizzie Brown. Mom, this is Jack. Pleased to meet you, Jack. Same here, Jack. Have a seat. And Jack, meet my little sister Anne. Anne, he is Jack. Hi, Anne. Hello, Jack. Well, I should be going now. I have a lot to do. Thanks for coming, Jack. Enjoy having you over. Jack, hope to see you again or soon. Jack, goodbye. See you then. Goodbye. I will see you later. Goodbye. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. I am doing great. I am okay. I am not bad. I am alright. I am not so good. I am not feeling good. Don't worry, Mary. Everything will be alright. Manners makes a man. I must leave now. I have something important to do. I have to get going. I have an important meeting. Whenever you give a valid point, people always respect you. So this is all about greeting to the people. And so once you listen and then try to speak, this is the only secret behind the speaking of English language. So thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel for infinite.
Hello friends, I would like to tell you how to express opinions, agreeing and disagree. Now we start. Dad, can I take the car to the college?
No, Samved, I can't allow you.
But Dad, I have a driving license now.
Well, in that case, you can take my car, my son, but drive carefully.
Dad, Arya is going to the dance party. Can I go along?
I am sorry, dear. You are too young for parties.
It's fine, it's alright. I agree with you.
It's wonderful. Go ahead.
I don't think so. I am afraid I agree with you.
The idea does not seem to be good. I see it differently.
Sure, actually, I am not sure if it will work. Now we will see how to express opinion.
Samved, I think we need extra classes.
Dad, I think it's time to buy a bigger house. Yes, Dad. I need a room too.
No, I think this house is fine.
It is closer to my college.
Well, I will think about it. Samved, I think it's time for you to join my business.
Dad, you know I want to make a career in music.
Yes, son. I think we should let him follow the career of his own interest. In my opinion, I personally think I would like to say that I believe that you can do better behalf of your interest. What to say about that?
You are right. This should work. Perfect. That should suit me.
I agree with the idea. Go ahead, it's fine with me.
I see the point you are making, but here may be some problem in it.
I think you should look at it from another angle.
No ways, never, impossible, not at all. Subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon for infinite and unlimited. Please.
Thank you very much.
Hello friends, today we will learn about computer and internet queries. Now we start. Hi my dear friends, it's a new day and I am back with you guys. So how's life going on?
Fantastic.
Okay friends, now before we go ahead, I just want to remind you that in the last video we studied how to motivate and appreciate, and I seriously hope that we are all practicing it. Yeah, very nice, and I am really happy.
Hi Samved, how are you? I want to buy a computer.
Sure, Dad. What do you want? To buy a desktop or a laptop?
I want to go for a desktop.
Oh, okay. Then you should look for a good configuration.
Can you explain me please? And I don't know much about this.
You should buy the latest CPU processor with good storage capacity.
What is a CPU?
It is central processing unit, the brain of the computer.
Okay, and what are the other computer's component?
See, it has several input and output devices like monitor, printer, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, desktop, motherboard, CD drives, etc.
Any other things I should take care of?
Yes, it should have the latest operating system and antivirus to protect your computer from virus attack.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Samved.
Hi Dad, I think you need to upgrade your computer.
Hi, but we did it last month.
My database is quite large. It take ages to open a small file.
Oh, Samved, you need to increase RAM. By the way, did you scan your disks recently? You mean to say my computer is infected?
I am not sure, but it could be the reason why it's running slow.
Reboot it first. Maybe that can help.
Let me see if I can get it straight. Oh, your mouse is frozen, I think.
Yeah, I will be better. Get the optical one.
First, delete all the unnecessary files and uninstall all programs that you aren't use.
You know, my computer has been having startup problems recently. That is because you have installed too many programs.
Okay, let me try to do what you have suggested. Thanks, buddy.
So, I am really hoping, friends, that you can talk in English about computer related problems.
World Wide Web, www.com, Internet Code of Conduct, do and don't.
Social networking sites, Facebook, Orkut, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagrams.
I don't have any option.
Don't forget to practice.
Etiquettes on interest, always use spell check and proofread on written internet communication.
Do not give wrong information in account file.
Never use abusive or dangerous derogatory language or insult anybody on the social platform, as it is considered uncivilized.
Don't open spam mails and follow unnecessary. It may lead viruses and malfunctioning may happen or danger may occur.
Always use discrimination when sharing your personal and professional info.
My friend are online, so I have to leave now. So thank you very much, friends. Please subscribe my channel for unlimited.
Hello friends, we are going to learn how to plan. So, what about going out for holidays? That's a great idea, but what's the plan? We have to decide the place. So, where do you want to go? I want to go to a hill station. Yes, we will enjoy the beauty of nature. We will go for long walks in the morning. I will paint. I will listen to my favorite music. I am so excited. We will have a wonderful time together. Hi Mary, how are you doing? Hi Jack, I am doing good but getting bored. Shall we go for a movie? Good idea, but which show? Let's plan today's evening show. Does it suit you? Perfectly alright. Let's meet at the coffee house. Let's listen to some music. How about a movie? Diana, we have to get early in the morning and prepare for the journey. Samved, what have you thought about your career? Well, Dad, I want to become a software engineer. That's great. What about your next future plans? Well, I want to become an English professor. That's interesting. Yes, I love teaching and I love computers too. I will go to watch a movie. I plan to ship to USA. I want to learn car driving. I have to prepare a timetable to study for my exams. I have to plan a project on insurance, pension, saving plans, future plans for savings and time management. So, one more plan for mind management, that is, you have to utilize your mind as an instrument to work for your better future and for the happiness of yourself and for others. So, friends, please subscribe my channel for unlimited. Thank you. Hello friends, we are going to learn about how to invite or give offers or giving responses. So friends, you are what? Practice more. Come home someday, we will have coffee together. Hey, I am giving a party in an occasion of success. You are invited. Hey Mary, what is your plan for Sunday? Nothing much, Jack. I will be there at home the whole day. Shall we go for a movie? Yeah, sure. I think we should invite Tina and Adam as well. Oh, hi Adam. We were just walking and talking about you. Actually, we are planning to go for a movie. Would you like to join us? Sure, Mary. I will definitely join you. Hello, Mr. Smith. How do you do?
Good to see you, Mr. Brown. I am fine, thank you. What is your profession, Mr. Smith? I am a businessman. So, Mr. Smith, how about having dinner at my home tonight? Sure, Mr. Brown, we will be there. Please join us on this great moment. I had like to invite you. Would you like to come with me? Would you like to have lunch with me? Hey, Mary, nice to see you here. Same here, Jack. Okay, tell me, what would you like to have? I would like to have coffee. Sure, wait a minute. I will bring coffee for you and cold drink for me. Oh, it's really hot over here. I shall open this window for you. Yeah, sure, so kind of you. Would you like to take tea or coffee? May I help you? Can I drop you home? Can I? Shall I? What would you like? What about you? I would like to come and I am sorry I can't. I am afraid I can't. I am sorry, but I have another appointment. Thanks, but I can't. I have some other work to do. Yes, with pleasure. I would like it very much. Yes, certainly I come. I I could be nice and it could be nice to be with you. May I have pleasure to dance with you? Yes, sure. So, friends, please subscribe my channel for unlimited. Thank you. Hello friends, today we will learn how to express sympathy, regret, condolence. Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. Thank you, welcome, fine. Why are you looking so sad, Dinah? What happened? I worked so hard but I couldn't clear my exam. Sad to hear that, Dinah, but please don't lose your heart. You are looking a little upset today. Well, actually, Jack, I have lost my job. Oh, I am so sorry for you. I can understand. Oh, that's so bad. Don't be disheartened. Don't lose hope. I wish I had taken coaching. I would have passed. Mary, I am really sad to hear about this. Have faith, Mary. May her soul rest in peace. Oh, I am late again. I have spent all my money. I have been proven wrong again. Why did I lose my temper? Don't worry, everything will be all right. I am disheartened and disturbed to hear this. Oh, poor guy. He must be so upset. I am always there for you. Don't worry too much. I really sympathize with you. I wish you could have passed. How I wish we could come with you. I wish the AC was off. It's so cold. I wish I could get help. So, thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for unlimited. Thank you. Hello friends, we are going to learn how to congratulate and express gratitude. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Brown, on your wedding anniversary. Happy marriage anniversary, Mom and Dad. Congratulations, Paul. I am so happy on your grand success. Thanks, Jack. Congratulations for your new home. Congrats for your new job. Congratulations for your great achievement. Heartiest congratulations for your great start. Congratulations for your success in examination. Hi Jack. You know Sunny has passed with A grade in maths. That's great news. I really want to thank you, Jack. It's all because of you. Need not mention Mary. I am so happy for Sunny. Thanks again. Congratulations, Paul. You fully deserve it. Thank you, Jack. But I would else like to thank Mom and Dad and all my friends who encouraged me. Thank you very much. So kind of you. I appreciate your help. You have been very helpful. Hope everything is fine. Finally, I got the job. In party, you all are invited. Good. That's great. That's wonderful. pretty good. How fortunate. Excellent work. I am grateful towards you. We have made my life. I obliged. I feel thankful to you. I gratitude towards you. You are welcome. Don't mention it. It's my pleasure. Glad to help. It's alright. So, friends, please subscribe my channel for unlimited. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about expressing complaints and apologies. Apologizing means that you respect your relationship more than your ego. That I am angry with you.
But why Samved?
You forgot my birthday.
Oh, I am so sorry. Wish you belated happy birthday, Samved.
That you have spoiled my dress.
Oh, I am really sorry. It happened accidentally. I am extremely sorry. Please forgive me. Sorry for the inconvenience.
You are late. It's hot here. Excuse me, the coffee is too sweet.
This is not fair. You promised me but didn't call me yesterday.
The traffic is very bad. Oh God, the lift is not working.
I have a severe headache today. No water, no electricity. What's happening?
The mobile network is so poor over here. Can't believe the train is late again.
The shirt has a hole. Kindly replace it. Our landline number and phone is dead.
Since last night, please do something. Petrol prices have gone up again.
Sorry to bother you, but I have a complaint.
I am afraid I have got a complaint to make.
Excuse me, I have a problem.
I am sorry. I won't repeat it again. This will not happen again. I sincerely apologize for it.
Sorry, there is nothing we can do about it.
I am afraid I can't help you anymore.
We are sorry, but it can't be tolerated anymore. So please subscribe my channel and bell the icon for unlimited. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, good evening. Today we will learn about how to motivate and appreciate others.
Hello friends, nice to see you again. How's life going on?
I can do it.
Hey Dinah, please don't lose hope. Try again. I am sure you will do better.
It happens, Dinah. Success and failure are part of life. Don't worry. We will help you with students.
Hey Adam, don't get disheartened. You have very good grades. I will surely get a job.
But Mary, this was my dream job.
But there is always a second chance. Let's hope for the best and prepare for it.
But Mary, now I lost all hope.
Thanks, Jack. I taught you maths very well and I wouldn't have passed.
Oh, it's okay, Kate. You are also a very good student.
Hey Mary, did I tell you you have beautiful eyes?
Oh, thank you, Jack. And just say that you have got a wonderful eyes.
Thanks, Mary.
You are so helpful. You are hard worker. You have a good command over English. You have a melodious voice. You are such a wonderful person.
Hard work is the key to success, but patience is the master key.
You are so pretty. You look so young. You are very good guide. You have a great personality.
You have a good communication skill. You are so intelligent. You are really a great player. You have a good sense of humor.
You have to speak, read English daily basis with a friend or office. Try as much as you can. So please friends, subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon for unlimited. Hi friends, good evening. We are going to learn general conversation and seeking more information. Now we start.
Hi Samved, are you coming from English lecture?
Yes, it was great.
Yes. Yeah. English seems to be your favorite subject, isn't it?
Yes, it is. But you seem to be interested in computer science, right?
Certainly, you guessed it right. You like playing cricket, don't you?
Yes, I just love it. And what is your hobby, Dinesh?
Well, I like reading.
Which city do you come from?
I come from Mumbai.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes.
Have you been to America?
Yes.
Are you a vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I am vegetarian.
Hi, I am Samved. I am new to this college. Can you please help me?
Hello, I am Dinesh. What can I do for you?
Actually, I am looking for a library.
Samved, you have to go straight and then take a right.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Where is the manager's cabin?
It is left to right.
Which bus should I take?
You take Shuneri.
Why is she laughing?
She understood joke.
How can I reach the railway station?
You hire taxi and then go to straight to the railway station.
What is your contact number?
My contact number is 808-789-7029.
Who is in charge over here?
Mr. Bhaviskar is in charge over here.
How is it going?
Fine.
Lovely day.
I haven't seen you for a while.
Yeah, I am going to Yotmal. How's work?
Fine. Sorry, friend. I am getting late.
Mirror level never lies.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for your help.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks, friends.
You are welcome.
Pleasure is mine.
Mention not.
I must go. See you. Bye bye.
Thank you very much, Samved. Thanks for journal conversation and seeking more information, and please subscribe my channel for unlimited.
Hello friends. Today we will learn about buildings, locations, addresses, etc. Now we start. We need a new and big house.
Yes, I know. Mary and Kat have grown up. They need separate rooms now.
We should buy a 3-bedroom apartment.
I think we need a guest room for use.
Yes, I also want a modular kitchen.
Well, then we need to buy a 4-room apartment.
What about the interiors?
Yes, why not? We will have best interiors done in drawing room, dining room, bedroom, and your kitchen too.
Here should be a balcony also in front of the bedroom and kitchen.
Yes, and a storeroom too.
Thank you so much, Mr. Brown. It would be my dream house with all the facilities. I think we need to renovate our farmhouse.
But that's such a well-designed building, Samved, and it's so functional.
Why do you want to disturb the lovely old architecture?
Well, I have to make some changes for modern living, aggression.
Yes, Dad, our village is a pleasant place in summer.
But our farmhouse doesn't have toilets and washrooms with proper amenities.
So what, Papa? It's big house. I was 8 rooms. It has 8 rooms. I love my room on the first floor.
You are right. The windows on the left street has open. That opens on the street is lovely.
But it needs renovation anyway.
door opens into a veranda. We can see the lake from the balcony. There is long corridor. The rooms are so spacious. What more do we want?
AW, how big our kitchen? First, a staircase goes up from the dining room.
It's an old brick house with a tiled room.
But it needs some change, dear.
Alright, friends.
Excuse me, can you tell me where is the metro station, please?
Sir, you have to take the river road and then turn left at the second square.
Is it far away?
No, sir. It's about 3 kilometers from here. Go straight, and when you reach the mall and take the immediate left.
Do we need to take a city bus for that?
Yes, you can take bus number 7 and get down on the second stop.
Thanks a lot, buddy.
You are welcome, sir.
And friends, I have one more dream. I want see famous buildings and more events around the world, which will be so exciting.
Some places in the world are famous for extraordinary buildings, architecture, and sky heights, towers, and many more.
It's not very far. It's nearby. Turn left at the end of this street. Our house is second on the right. The hospital is very easy to locate. It's next to the railway station. Turn left at the crossroad and walk at the end of the road. The restaurant is further down. The bookshop is over there in the corner. You can't miss it. It is just opposite to the police station. So please, friends, subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon for the unlimited. Hello, friends. I remember few years ago we are facing problems about telephonic conversation. So today I have go to tell you about telephonic conversation. Now we start.
Hello, this is Mr. Dinesh Tiwari.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
May I have an appointment at 6 p.m. today?
Sure, sir. Let me check. All right, sir. Your appointment is fixed. Please be here by 3:55 p.m.
Thank you. We are going to tell that call beings and call beginning and content of the call and ending of the call and purpose of the call must be clear for telephonic conversation. So,
let us understand this further. Hello, is that Professor Dinesh Tiwari?
yes,
Good morning, Professor Dinesh Tiwari. I am Samvid Tiwari speaking, sir. This is regarding admission for your English speaking course.
yes, sir. You have just said that it's an advanced English course of 3 months duration and the fees is about $75.
Thank you so much, sir. I will get back to you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello,
Hello, who is this?
this is Dinesh calling. May I speak to Samved, please?
Hello, Dinesh, sir. How are you?
I am fine. Is Michael there?
One moment, please. Michael, there is a call for you.
Thank you for calling Pizza Joint. This is Peter. How can I help you?
Hello, Dr. Brown's clinic.
Hello, this is Dinesh Tiwari here.
Hi, it's John from Dr. Brown's clinic.
Hey, Samved. It's Dinesh calling.
Hey, this is Samvid here.
May I speak with Dr. Brown, please? Is he available?
Is Mary in?
Is Jack there, please?
Can I talk to your sister?
All our operators are busy at this time. Please hold for the next available person.
Please hold and I will put you through to his office.
Just a second, I will get him.
Hang on 1 second.
Could you please repeat that?
Would you mind spelling that for me?
Could you speak a little louder, please?
Can you speak a little slowly, please?
Can you please call me back? I think we have a bad network.
Can you please hold for a minute? I am getting another call.
Michael is not in. Who is this?
I am sorry, Kate is not here at the moment. Can I ask who's calling?
I am afraid he is just stopped out. Would you like to leave a message?
He is gone for a lunch break. Who's calling, please?
He is busy right now. Can you call again later?
I will let him know you called.
I will make sure she gets the message. Thank you very much. So please subscribe my channel for unlimited. Thank you.
Hello friends, good evening. Today we have learned about telephonic conversation. Now we start. Yes, can you tell him that his wife has called up, please?
That's all right. I will call back later.
Hello, this is Jack from Computech. When do you expect her back in office?
Thanks. Could you please ask him to call Mary when he gets back?
Okay, I have got it all down.
Let me repeat that just to make sure.
Did you say 555 Charles Street?
You said your name is Amy, right?
I make sure he gets the message.
Hello, I have reached 2456789. Please leave a detailed message after the beep. Thank you.
This is Jack Smith.
I am sorry. I am not available to take your call at this time.
Leave me a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can.
Thank you for calling Dr. Brown's office. Our visiting hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Day to Friday. Kindly call during these hours or else leave a message after the beep, or if it's an emergency, kindly call the hospital at 808-789-2025.
Hey Mary, it's Jack. Please call me.
This is Adam calling for Diana. Could you please return my call as soon as possible? My number is 808-789-245. Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Smith. This is Susan calling from Dr. Brown's clinic. Just wanted to inform you, ma'am, that your checkup is due this Tuesday.
Well, I guess I better get going. Talk to you soon.
Thanks for calling. Bye-bye for now.
Talk to you later. Bye.
Hey, now I also want a promise from your side that whenever you call me, you are going to speak in English.
Hi friends, I am back.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Always make sure that you can hear the other speakers clearly.
Your attitude decides your altitude. I like this, that colors give new dimensions to your personality. My dear friend, it's a modern world. Actually, I am walking down to the lost. You are gone to class. Look at me. I am already here. Where are you lost? As I said, this is a power of modern communication technology. Today you can not only send SMS, emails, etc. through phones, but you can also do audio and video conferencing and even face interviews. These days the working environment is driven by modern communication technology.
So answering machines to say hello into the phone when it rings. Answering machines, something that you can recording, or if the person you are calling isn't there, busy signal. Signal is what? Beeping sound that tells the caller that the other person is already on the phone with someone else. Call telephonic conversation or to make a call. What is caller? The person who makes a call or callback. Callback is what? To call someone who called you first. Call display, a screen that shows you who is calling, cellular or cell phone. A telephone that you can take with you in a house or office is also mobile phone, cordless phone. Cordless phone is what? Phone that is not attached with wire, a long distance with it in or out around house or office. What is dial? To press the buttons on the phone. What is dialer tone? Sound the phone makes you when picked up phone. Hang up, to put receiver down and end the call. Pick up, to answer the phone. Receiver, the part of the phone that you speak or listen from. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for unlimited.
Today I would like to tell you about request and response. Hello friends, how are you?
Are you enjoying English speaking?
Can you please drop me to the next bus stop?
Why not? Please sit.
Hello dad, how come you are here?
Hi Samved, actually I have missed my bus. Can you drop me to the college?
Well, it suits you. I can drop you to the highway.
Oh, that will be fine. Thanks a lot.
Okay, can you do me a favor please?
Yes, of course. Samved, tell me.
My sister Asta has some problem in maths. Could you please help her?
Yes, why not? My pleasure.
I am going to the mall to shop for woolens. Will you join me?
I am sorry, Samved. I have an examination tomorrow.
Okay, it's alright.
I will make a move and send Mr. Ronit you there.
Okay, Mr. Ronit, I will teach you English.
I need some help.
Can you please give me a lift?
Would you please pick up the phone?
Would you please help me with the luggage?
All right, of course. Yes, certainly, or by all means.
I am afraid it's not possible. I am not sure I can do that.
I am sorry, I won't be able to help you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for unlimited.
Hello friends. Today I remember few years ago we are facing difficulty in expressing doubts, persuasion and convincing. So fine to take action on it. Let's start. Hi Dad, is university declaring our results tomorrow?
Hi Samved, is it so? But I doubt it.
There is news about this in the newspaper.
It must be a rumor.
I am not sure. I doubt it. I have my own doubts. I am doubtful about it.
I am not certain about it.
Hey Dad, what's up?
There is English speech competition in my college.
That's interesting.
My students want to take part in it.
That would be great.
But the problem is
What's the problem?
I don't have a good command over English.
No, your English is quite good. Anything else?
Actually, I am not very confident.
Why not? I bet you will win the competition.
Okay, if you think so, I will surely prepare myself for the competition.
Now that's the spirit. Now that's the spirit. My dad, best of luck.
I am sure you are on the right track. I bet you can do it better.
I believe that it is the right decision. If I were you, I would do it.
You can try this also.
Hi Ronit, I was thinking we should join French classes in summer vacation.
The idea is good, but my friend wants to me in the cricket club for practice.
Can't you persuade your friends to reconsider this?
Yes, I can request him. Let's see if he agrees.
This will work out very well because the benefits would be that.
The reason I feel this would be the best is that, imagine, I hope.
You understand. So please friends subscribe my
Please don't worry, you will reach on time.
Dad, just take it easy. You will be able to solve them. Everything will be fine. Oh, come on. Sure you can.
So, my friends, please subscribe my channel for unlimited. Thank you very much.
Hello friends. I remember 2 years ago. We are struggling in speaking English, so we decided to learn and listen and speak English repeatedly. And now we are speaking English 200% for the sake of listening. So now we start about expressing likes and dislikes. Expressing like and dislike. Jack, did you hear the music? Yes, I did. I just love soft music. Oh, is it? But love jazz and also like to play guitar. Hi Jack. Oh, such beautiful flowers. Yeah, I got them for Mary. Thanks Jack. I love roses so much. I have got chocolate for you, Kate. Thanks Jack. I love chocolates. What do you like, Jack? I like sport cars. But I don't like sports cars. But I like them. Jack, I like it. I am loving it. That's my favorite. I doing this. I like sandwiches a lot. I also like sandwiches, but I like to make them at home. But I can't make it. Why? It's so easy. Yeah, but I don't like cooking. Hey Jack, you look upset. I hate waiting, Mary. You are always make me wait. I am so sorry. I got late because of my extra classes. It's alright, but please be on time tomorrow. I don't like this. I dislike it. I can't bear this. I hate it. I am just crazy about this. I simplify adore this. I am really fond of this. I just can't stand this. I just can't do that. I can't bear it anymore. Okay friends, now subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon for unlimited. Hello friends, I remember I have a problem many years ago about contradictions, refusal and sarcasm. Now I would like to tell you about expressing contradictions, refusal and sarcasm. Okay, I am now starting. My car is the best in town. Who said? Now, no way, it's not. You see, my model is the best. Forget it. My model is better than you. Of course not. But you have any idea of good car model? As if you are master of cars. Well, at least I know better than you. Oh, you hardly know anything about the best car manufacturers. Hello, gentlemen. Don't forget you are talking to an automobile engineer. Oh, but you hardly know anything. That's too much, Jack. Mind your words. Kate, I need your help. What for? Cooking. We have visitors coming in the evening. Sorry, Mary. I have lot of work today to do. Please help me, Kate. I said I can't help you. That is not done, Kate. I have no time at all. This is ridiculous. Whatever, please don't disturb me. You have time to chat with your friends, but you don't have time to help me. Yes, I have no time. That's it. Hi, Mary. I am sorry. I kept you waiting. Oh no, you didn't take too long. Just an hour. But you see, I so I so sorry, but I got stuck in traffic. At least don't be sarcastic. Well, now I have really started enjoying the wait. Look, I am really a man of words. I don't lie, you know. You know I am really learning a lot from you. Please let's stop this. I said I am sorry. Let me buy you an ice cream. Okay. Wow. What a small price to pay for my valuable 1 hour. But still I will accept it. That you may, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I don't agree. I contradict. I don't believe this. This is not true. This absolutely ridiculous. I can't do it. I don't know. I do not have time. I have no time to energy to do this. You do you do it yourself. I won't do it. Please do not disturb me. Titanic was considered 100 unshakable, and yet the ship sank. Yeah. It's as clear so much. Okay, friends. Now subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon for unlimited. Hello, friends. Today we will learn about personal and professional relationship. So now we start.
Hey Samved, what's your program for this Sunday? If you are free, then we go for picnic, or can we go for picnic?
Oh, I am so sorry, Dad. This weekend I have to visit my auntie's house. Actually, it's my cousin's sister's birthday party.
Oh, it's okay Samved. We can go some other time. You have fun with your cousins. Enjoy.
Hello, Dad. How are you?
I am fine, Samved. What about you?
Great, Dad. I had like to invite you for the party this evening.
Oh, I would really love to come, but I am so sorry, Samved. I should not be able to join as my nephew and niece are coming in this evening.
That's fine, Dad. But we will miss you. See you in the next party. Then take care.
Sure, Samved. Have fun. See you later. So, mother and father's brother is called uncle. Father and mother's brother's wife is called auntie. Father and mother's sisters is called auntie. Father and mother's sisters husband is called uncle. Uncle or auntie's children is called cousin. Husband's brother or sister's son is called nephew. Wife's brother or sister's son is called nephew. Husband's brother or sister's daughter is called niece. Wife's brother or sister's daughter is called niece. And father-in-law or mother-in-law after marriage. So these are the relationships we call this. And he is my colleague, he is my senior, he is my junior, he is my sir, he is my madam, he is my classmate, he is my roommate. So in this way we are relating to other with ourselves. So the best relationship is love with other. So in this way we are describing the relationships.
So please friends, subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon for unlimited. Hello friends, today we will learn about communicating effectively in different situations. So now we start. Excuse me sir, I am looking for a book in English grammar and vocabulary. Can you please tell me where should I look for it?
Please go straight towards the left side. There is an English book section.
Thanks.
Excuse me, may I know what time does the movie start?
Well, there is a show at 7:30 p.m. And next show will be at 9:30 p.m. a.m.
Okay, please book 2 tickets for 7:30 p.m. show. How much should I pay?
$10, sir. Last row camera corner seats. Should I confirm your seats? Can I get the center corner seats, please?
Sure, Samved.
Thanks.
Can you please show me a good dinner set?
Sure, sir. We have a variety of dinner sets.
No, not this. I want fine quality bone china set.
Well, sir, have a look at this.
What's so special about this?
Sir, this is a microwave friendly set. You can directly put this in oven.
What's the price?
It's only $89, sir.
No. Last week my neighbor purchased the same pan of crockery from your shop at $75. How can the price changes too fast in a few days?
I completely agree with you, sir, but this crockery is different from old stock. It's more durable and much better in quality. Moreover, we have an offer on this set. If you purchase this, you get a cutlery set free.
Okay, that sounds great. Please pack this for me.
Sure, sir. Excuse me, can you please show me where the footwear section is?
Can you please help me in finding out kids garment section?
Can you please exchange this? Please mention a reason why.
To ensure prompt service.
Before leaving, friends, please practice regularly. Thanks. So please friends, subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon for unlimited. Hello friends, today we will learn about personalities, behavior and attitude. So now we start. Abraham Lincoln says that I walk slow but I never walked back, because he has positive, optimistic, hard work attitude towards life.
Hey Samved, how was your first day of your new college?
My first day was very good.
And tell me, how did you find your new teachers and professors?
All the teachers and professors are very helpful.
Somewhere, did you meet Johnson sir, Richard sir?
Who is he? How does he look? Mr. Johnson, he used to teach us English. He is very good professor.
He is tall, wears a French beard, and always wears a suit, and he wears spectacles as well.
Oh, yes, I remember. I saw him in the classroom. Ronit, did you meet our new professor, Mrs. Kelly?
I have seen her. Did you attend her class?
Yes, she teaches accounts and she explains things so well.
Oh, she is a brilliant lady. Our principal should be happy to have such a faculty.
Yes, of course. But our previous professor was not so good. His lectures was very boring.
Yes, he couldn't explain properly.
But Mrs. Kelly explains so well, and of course, she is so graceful and she is so pretty as well.
Yes, I completely agree. She has sharp features.
Dad, why are you looking so upset and where are you coming from?
Hey Samved, I am coming from the park. There were some naughty children playing football. I have never come across such a noisy and unruly up of children. They were uncontrollable and very irritating. Children like them can be easily upset any sensible person with their unpredictable behavior. Everyone was so embarrassed. They were not even afraid of doing dangerous things, so I scolded them badly.
Oh, Dad, calm down. They are kids and they bound to be naughty. So don't worry, Dad. He is so smart. He has beautiful eyes. Good communication. He is so intelligent. He is so ambitious. He is soft spoken and shy by nature. He is so talkative, egoistic, uh, workaholic by nature. So please, friends, subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon for unlimited.
Hello friends, we are going to talk about manners and etiquettes, and since the ability and education is very important role in manners and etiquettes. In order to gain respect, you first have to give respect. Wherever you go, you always represent your country, and if you have developed the right manners and etiquettes, you are sure to be welcomed and respected. Let's move ahead. Show your respect for others in words. Always say please, thank you, and excuse me. Either say or write a thank you note when you receive a gift. Remember that everyone deserves to be treated politely. Always use respectful and appropriate language. Always apologize whenever you make a mistake. Always follow good table manners like take small bites and don't make noise while chewing. Sit straight while eating, and I don't know it. Say always respect for the balls to be passed to you. Always use your napkin Don't make noise with plates and cutleries while eating. Always show respect for belongings of others. Treat other people's possessions as if they were your own. If you damage something by mistake, try to replace or repair it. Never interrupt a conversation. If absolutely necessary, say, "Excuse me, I am sorry to interrupt you," politely. Whenever you change your plans, let me, concerned person, know. Don't leave anyone waiting for you. Respect the sentiments of others in public. Do not smoke in bus stand or railway station. Don't be loud or obnoxious. Go to the private corner to speak on the cell phone. Whenever you have to turn down an invitation, be kind and polite. Excuses all fine, but lies are not. Always be polite to others and adults, especially elderly people, seniors, and even towards children. Never swear or use foul language. Never burp loudly or spit at a public place or on road. Never make fun of people, especially the strangers and the elders. Never tease or make fun of people with disability. Never throw your trash on the ground. Always use a dustbin. Never talk in cinema hall, especially when the movie is playing. Never be misbehave in a restaurant. This means you speak softly, that you don't disturb others. Treat the waiter with politeness and respect. Don't let the door slam on someone's face. Wait a few seconds and hold. The door opens for the people behind you. Don't be in a hurry to get on an elevator, train, bus, or lift without leaving people getting off first. Always knock before you enter a door or a cabin. If an elderly person or pregnant woman standing in a line, offer them a seat. Open the door for a lady in a car or a lift. Go to the interview room whenever you are asked to sit, only when you are asked to sit. Remember, friends, always greet the interviewers good morning, good afternoon, good evening as per the hour of the day. There is one more thing. Then wish them individually, or you can say good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone, or simply say hello everybody. Never play with your phone or pen. You can put it on table and simply hold it. If you don't know, say sorry sir, I don't know it. Always speak softly. Please silent your ringtones in public places. Your behavior reflects your personality, and without speaking single word, it conveys gentleman. Always stand still when you shake your hands, and always
make eye contact and smile or greet. Pleased to meet you. Good morning. Firm handshake and politely with ladies conversations. So these are the manners and etiquettes we must follow. So please subscribe my channel for unlimited. Thank you.
Hello friends, today we will learn about how to face an interview in English. So now we start. May I come in, sir?
Yes, please, you may come in.
Thank you, sir.
Please have a seat. Somewhere, tell me something about yourself.
I am graduate in computer science. I think I have good communication skill and I am very keen to work in a good company.
Okay. And which school do you go to?
I went to convent school, sir.
Okay, Samit, tell us about your family.
My father is a businessman, my mother is a banker, and my elder brother is pursuing music.
So, why don't you join your father's business?
It's not a field of my interest.
And what are your hobbies, Samved?
So I love reading and adventure sports too.
And what kind of books do you read?
I would like to read the thriller and suspense story, sir.
All right, that's interesting. Tell us about your favorite author.
John Coe is my favorite author.
That's nice. And what are your career goals in life?
Sir, I want to be known and respected for programming skill.
Actually, I want to be
an authority on programming.
Oh, I see. Samved, where do you see yourself after 5 years?
In about 5 years, I would like to start my own business, sir.
That's interesting. And may I know why do you want to work in our company?
I am keen to work in your company because I feel I would be able to learn a lot and also explore a lot of my talent.
Okay. So can you give me a reason why should I hire you?
Sir, because I am not only qualified for job but also I am ready to put hard work.
All right. What kind of salary do you expect?
As per industry standards, sir.
Okay. Tell us about your strength and weaknesses.
Sir, my strength is my parents and my weakness is also my parents.
Can you work under pressure?
Of course I can, sir.
Okay, tell us what motivates you to do for good job
Job satisfaction, sir.
and who is inspired you in your life and why?
That would be Steve Jobs, sir. Actually, sir, I am inspired by say never say die spirit.
Fine, Samved. Do you have any questions for me?
Not really, sir. I have seen I have seen your website, sir, and I think I have understood everything.
All right, Samved. We will let you know. It was nice meeting you.
Same here, sir. Have a nice day. And thank you very much.
Why do you want to change the company? May we contact your existing company employees for reference? Yes, sir. Why didn't you join any other company after quitting your previous company? Are you willing to relocate? Which city do you come from? Tell me something about your family. May I know your qualification? Can you drive? Can you tell me about your future plan? May I know what are your ambitions in life? What kind of life partner do you want? So these are the types of questions to be faced in interviews in English. So friends, I not only hope, but I am very sure you done well. We have been able to do justice to the task which is assigned to us. So never lose hope, never be biased. Live just once. If you live right, one is enough. So experience is the best teacher. Be 100% aware, be cautious, and be yourself, and be happy and be equanimous and aware. So continuity of practice is the secret of success. So always try to listen and speaking like a king. Go on. Thank you very much.
So please friends, subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon for unlimited.